Hey everyone. Today I'm going to take a look at Bitcoin with you. Let's recall what we talked about last time and see how it lines up with today's movement. And as always, the most useful part will be at the end of the video. Let's get started. First, let's open the monthly chart and, as usual, mark the nearest levels. 1, 2, and 3. So, what can we say? In recent months, as we can see, sellers have been putting on relentless pressure. The last level was broken through almost without any resistance at all. Next, let's look at the daily chart. To start things off, let's begin by marking our trends. Last time, I predicted sideways movement up to the upper boundary of the channel, followed by a drop. As of today, this movement still isn't finished. And while doing another analysis, I realized that maybe the price won't even reach the upper boundary and the trend will accelerate. And the drop to 55,000, which I mentioned earlier, has already started. Some of you might be wondering, why? Let's switch to the hourly chart. Here, you'll see that the previous trend has been broken and the price has already set a new direction. Let's go back to the daily chart. Also, if you look at the levels, you can spot the following patterns. The peak of Bitcoin's growth, the upper level is 125,000. There's also a level that I didn't mark in advance. This is the $100,000 level, which hasn't really been tested yet. The level we're near right now is $75,000, and the lower level, where Bitcoin's growth started, is $50,000. So, following that same logical progression, we could certainly attain that specific price level as well. But that will only happen if the new level is decisively broken through to the upside. And based on everything we've discussed so far, let's now think about your positions. Who's in Wong's? Today it's short and to the point. This won't lead to anything good, neither in the long term nor in the short term. Not until buyers show up and at least some kind of signal for a price reversal appears. Who's in shorts? The nearest target is $65,000. Next, we look at $60,000. And if we break through the 60,000 level, the lowest one, then we look further around 55. That's exactly the target I mentioned earlier. I'm not backing away from it. For those thinking about entering positions, well, as I said before, buying now is absolutely premature. There's nothing promising for them yet. Selling is less risky, but since the price is between levels, I don't think it's worth doing right now. At least wait for the round level of 70,000. From there, you can make a move. Well, in other words, I can't say anything optimistic about Bitcoin for now. Everything still looks downward. That's roughly how I expect things to play out. And if you think differently, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I hope this was really helpful. And remember, we make assumptions, but the market decides.